Now, when it comes to lights, there are hundreds and hundreds of options, but what if I could tell you that spending just £10 is going to completely change the way you're going to look at lighting your scene or your subject from here on out? Yo, my name is Bradley Aston and welcome back to the channel. This week, I want to tell you a little indie trick on how you can modify your lights. Now, I promise you it is not clickbait. £10 to modify your light is very, very easy and extremely doable. All it is a shower curtain. That's all it is. £10 shower curtain from Amazon, and that's going to completely change the way your light looks. Now, whoa. Before you leave the video, because I know that's where you're going, oh, shower curtain, yeah, blah, blah, blah. Pretty simple, whack it up, job's a good one. Not necessarily true. There's a few things you need to bear in mind when using a shower curtain to soften your light or manipulate or modify your light. Tip 1 is to make sure that you have plenty of distance between your modifier, our shower curtain, and your light. The further the distance is, the softer you're going to get of the light, and if I move the light a lot closer, then you're going to get a harsher light on the face. You're going to notice that the highlights here on this side of my face are going to be extremely bright, and you're going to notice that the shadows on my face on the right side are going to be a lot darker, and the fall off isn't going to be quite as nice. So make sure you've got plenty of distance between your modifier and your light source. The next tip is to make sure that your modifier, your shower curtain, is really close to your face. The closer you can get it to your subject or your face or whichever, the softer the light's going to be, because you're going to get a more of a gradual fall off. So if I was to grab the shower curtain now and bring it closer to my face, you can already see, just doing that, that the light on the left of my face is slowly getting darker as it goes across, and it's quite nice, it's quite pleasing. There's hardly any dark shadows on the right side of my face at all. As I move it back, you can see the shadows here get quite darker, gets a little bit more of a harsher fall off, let's say that. It's probably the best way to say it. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oh, Brad, you've probably got some like stupid expensive light behind this, and that's what's giving you this really nice soft look. Now, yes, there are going to be some lights that are softer than others. Obviously, if you put a spotlight behind this, then it is going to be a little bit harsher than if you was to use, say, an LED panel. You can use something as simple as a Godox SL60W. This was my first video light. I picked mine up for just over £100 on an offer, and it's superb. It's brilliant. It's 60 watt, does everything I need, has a little bit of a modifier reflector dish on it so I can narrow the light so it doesn't affect too much of the background. It's superb, it does the job, but this scene, this entire video, has actually been lit with just an LED panel. Just an LED panel, and I picked two of these up off Facebook Marketplace for about £30. I brought these 4 years ago, and I still use them now. In fact, I've given one away to a friend who's just started a YouTube channel so that he can light his videos the same way I'm doing now. Now, yes, just above my camera, I have my Falcon LED mat, and I love it. It's superb, it's compact, brilliant. And I do have, obviously, my SL60W, which, you know, a bit cheaper, but still a superb light. But what I'm trying to get across is that you don't need it. You don't need the big expensive lights. You don't need to drop a couple of £100 on lighting and modifying when you can buy effectively what is a £15 LED panel and a £10 shower curtain. That's what you need. Now, bear in mind, using a shower curtain or something that is this dense, or any type of diffusion really, is going to knock down your base exposure. When you put this on, no matter how powerful your light is, having this is going to drop the power of that light just a little bit. So you will have to change your settings to obviously compensate for this. So there you go, £10 and you can get a really nice soft looking light. It's very indie, very, very indie, Don't worry too much about what clients are going to think or anybody that you're filming for, because all they're really interested in is the results, what you can deliver them at the end. And if they're getting this nice soft look and it's a really nice flattering image for your subject, they don't care. They don't care if you've used a shower curtain. They're not going to even know how much your 120D cost. You know what I mean? They don't care. At the end of the day, as long as your quality's there, that's all that matters. And if £10 shower curtain gets you there, it is what it is. So, if this is something that you think you're going to use, maybe even you're already using this, then go over to my Instagram, I'll put it just up here, and send me the photos, tag me in your stories, show me, just say hello if you want to. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop me a message. And as always, don't forget, if this has helped you, press the little like button just down below. Drop me a comment if you like, and don't forget to press the subscribe button and the notification bell, so that way you'll hear for next week's video. There wasn't one last week. I had my appendix, it kind of like nearly burst, so I had to have that removed. So no video last week, I'm sorry. It was meant to be a one wheel video and I'm not allowed to ride my one wheel yet, so that'll come soon when I'm able to ride. But until then, we're dealing with shower curtains. So I'll see you next week. Until then, have a good one. And don't forget, press the notification button just down below so you don't miss next week's video. That's all for now. Bye-bye.